My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. What is life? Is it our personal property, or has it been entrusted to us? Today, we will understand the issue of suicide in the light of Islamic teachings and learn Islam's perspective on life. Allah Almighty has granted us this life as a trust. Our bodies, our souls, and our limbs are all owned by Allah. The Quran and Sunnah teach us to live this life according to Allah's commands. Some people say that this body belongs to us, and we can do whatever we want with it. But this notion is incorrect. In Islamic teachings, suicide is prohibited because life does not belong to us. It is a trust given to us by Allah. If this body were truly our property, we would have the right to commit suicide. However, since it is a trust from Allah, we are not allowed to misuse it. Islam considers betrayal of trust to be a grave sin. This life, these limbs, and these abilities are all trusts from Allah. Betraying these trusts is a sign of hypocrisy. According to the Quran and Sunnah, committing sins is equivalent to breaching a trust, which is not a trait of a believer but the act of a hypocrite. During employment, time is also a trust. If someone does not put in their full effort according to their agreement, they are betraying that trust. This time is not their personal property but a trust given by their employer. Misusing this trust will render their earnings not entirely lawful. In the Quran, Allah has issued stern warnings for those who cheat in weighing and measuring. Such betrayal applies not only to material goods but also to time and effort, scholars explain. If someone does not fulfill their 8-hour duty, they too fall under this warning. Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab R.A. said, "If even a dog dies hungry by the banks of the Euphrates, I will be held accountable for it on the day of judgment." This sense of responsibility teaches us to safeguard our trusts and remain prepared to answer to Allah. In today's world, everyone fights for their rights, but few acknowledge their responsibilities. If we understand and fulfill our duties, peace and harmony can prevail on earth. May Allah grant us the ability to protect our trusts and follow the Sharia. Ameen. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more informative videos.